Yandex Toloka is a platform that allows users to complete small tasks in exchange for payment. The tasks can vary, such as data collection, image tagging, or text annotation. The amount of money that you can earn on Toloka depends on the tasks that you complete and the amount of time that you spend working on them. In order to earn $50 per day on Toloka, you would need to complete a large number of tasks and work efficiently. Some strategies to increase your earnings on Toloka include taking on a high volume of tasks. The more tasks you complete, the more money you can earn. Focusing on higher paying tasks. Some tasks on Toloka pay more than others, so it's a good idea to prioritize these tasks. Working during peak hours. Toloka assigns tasks on a first-come, first-served basis, so if you work during peak hours, you may have a better chance of getting higher-paying tasks. Maintaining a high accuracy rate. Toloka assigns tasks based on the accuracy of your previous work, so by maintaining a high accuracy rate, you may be able to get more tasks and earn more money. It's worth noting that earning $50 per day on Yandex Toloka is not guaranteed, and it may take some time and effort to reach that level of earning.